Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This shouldn't be a horror game. Yes, perfect. Because the videos I've been recording so far. Last one I thought was not a horror game, but... And this is just recording because I know this is going to be sent before it. But this says you're meant to find pairs. And I'm good at finding pairs, so... Yeah, there is, except it's not... Okay, so... There are a bunch of these to connect. So, let's start at... all the way at the top. It's Painter. Painter needs their paint stuff. This should be right. Am I able to disconnect them? No. Next one is the VR person. Okay, so VR. That's plants. I have a feeling it's going to be connected to here, but there's going to be somebody who needs, like... Huh, okay. Oh, music. That's an easy connection. Ah, this is clothes. Which means all the way up to there. These both are sleeping. Flowers. Flower, I mean. Must be for plants. Computer. Working. Oh. Wait a second. Cooking. Kitchen. Boom. Computer. Working. Technology. Boom. Well done, you managed to link them all. They're all gonna be the same. So that was clothesline. And since that was very quick, I'm going to try to find another one to do as well. More information. Understood. Save as. Desktop. Save. Go to desktop. Extract all from the folder. Delete the zip file because everything's a lot already. Before I do this, we'll oh, this doesn't work because this folder's open. So I'm not going to do that. But before I do play it, I'm going to check this PC. Yes, so let's play some afternoon spaghetti. Made by Shell. Bird. Oh, wait, this just sends me to acts. Okay. Let's play. I swear I saw two houses. What was that? Hello, bird. You're not a bird. Why did I think that was going to be a bird? Hello, human. I want that. I want that food that you have there. That looks tasty. Can I have some? Yeah. Uh, what is this? Yeah, I saw. Hey, I'm making spaghetti. Sorry. Could you pass me some cheese? Okay. The cheese must be in the fridge. Where is it? There should be some in the fridge. I knew it. I'm so smart. I locked myself in. Oh, God. That is a really weird way to go to the bathroom. Wait a second, hold on, before I even find it. Where is that even connected to? Like, oh yeah, it's not Euclidean, so it's obviously gonna be like this. Ew! It's an art degree show. They deleted, they destroyed one. Existential man. Sorry, I just gotta check this out. Ew. High fields, art on canvas. There's another pair of doors. Unexpected disruption. Undesirable political landscapes. Not three-dimensional existence on a two-dimensional plane. This is the house. Emotional consequences of advanced interhuman communications. Something. Perceptions of aesthetic form. Someone's fridge. I just took it out of someone's fridge. Untitled. It's a vase or vase, if you're a crazy person. Art degree show. Create what look good. Good Institute of Arts. Well, it's time to go back. Out of the fridge. I got your cheese. I got your cheese. And now I'm running with it. Hey, you're never gonna catch me alive. I'm kidding. Thanks. Did you know that the back of your fridge is currently on display at student art shows somewhere on the human planet Earth? Well, that's an extraordinarily long way. Not that much. Why would I breathe without you? Where would I breathe without you? I like the rock and roll music and I like to dance the cha-cha-cha. These aren't. These are not people. That's a lot of moors. Edited by. You know what? I didn't expect that part. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It just seemed like it stopped and then it just. Well, that was Hook, Line, and Slinker or whatever. And, an afternoon spaghetti. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.